Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for anyone welcoming non-residents to the U.S., whether it's for work or pleasure. Maybe you are expecting a visit from a parent, friend, or family member. When they arrive, you check their passport for the entry stamp, but wait, there's no stamp. Or maybe you are a green card holder applying for citizenship. And now you need to list your travel dates for the last 5 years, but you can't find those passport stamps. If any of this sounds familiar, don't worry. After watching this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Stay with us until the end as we explain the new stampless process that U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) has implemented since 2022. For those who may not know, the U.S. has been phasing out physical passport stamps for foreign nationals entering the country. Instead, all of the information that used to be in your passport stamp, like the date of entry, location, and your immigration status, is now recorded electronically in the I-94 system. You can easily access and review this record online, which is critical for making sure your entry is accurate. We'll also talk about some changes to the ESTA program for those entering by land. So if you've been puzzled by the lack of passport stamps or you're preparing for future travel, this video has you covered. Make sure to stay till the end to fully understand how to check your I-94 records and avoid any issues. Let's dive in. Understanding the I-94 system. The I-94 is an official record of your entry into the U.S. and contains key information, like entry date, the day you entered the U.S., class of admission, whether you're a visitor, student, or worker, for example, F1, B2, TN. Authorized period of stay, the last day you're allowed to remain in the U.S. This is critical because overstaying can lead to penalties or visa issues. In the past, this information was stamped directly in your passport, but now it's recorded electronically and can be accessed online. How to check your I-94 record? To view your I-94 record, follow these simple steps. Go to the official U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) I-94 website, www.i94.kep.this.gov. Click on Get Most Recent I-94. This will bring up your most recent entry record. Enter your details. You'll need to fill in your name, passport number, and country of citizenship. View your I-94. Once you submit your details, you'll be able to see your entry date, visa status, and the expiration of your authorized stay. This online system is crucial, especially since there are no more passport stamps to refer to. What to do if you need to leave. Once you have access to your I-94 record, pay close attention to the Admit Until Date section. This tells you the last day you can remain in the U.S. without violating your visa conditions. Here's what you need to do. Plan your departure before the Admit Until date. Overstaying your authorized period can lead to penalties, affect future visa applications, or even bar you from re-entry into the U.S. If you need to stay longer than your authorized date, you must apply for an extension or change of status before your stay expires. You cannot extend your stay after your I-94 date has passed. Why it's important to double-check. Mistakes happen. Sometimes, the I-94 record may have errors, like incorrect entry dates or visa classifications. Check your I-94 as soon as possible after arrival to ensure everything is accurate. If there's a mistake, you can request a correction at a nearby U.S. Customs and Border Protection office or contact your immigration attorney for help. New changes for land border crossings. If you're entering the U.S. by land, especially from a Visa Waiver Program (VWP) country, there's a new requirement to apply for an ESTA, electronic system for travel authorization, before you arrive. You'll also need to pay a small fee for your I-94. The mobile app CBP One can help streamline this process and allow you to apply up to 7 days before your arrival. Key takeaways. Use the online I-94 system to check your entry and departure details. Make sure to leave before your authorized stay expires. Double-check your record for any errors as soon as you enter the U.S. For land entries, apply for ESTA in advance if you're from a Visa Waiver Program country. By staying on top of your I-94 record and understanding your rights and responsibilities, you can avoid any immigration issues. If you're unsure, always consult with an immigration attorney or check with CBP for clarification. That's it for today's video. We hope this breakdown of the I-94 process helped you understand how to manage your travel records. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice on traveling to and from the U.S. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for supporting our channel.